In this video, I will show you how to buy stocks with Revolut. To do this, go and open up Revolut and then first click on Invest in the bottom. Then you will see this. Now you want to go and add some money from your main balance to your investment account that you can use to buy stocks. To do that, click Add Money, choose how much you want to do and just deposit it here. And then you will see Brokerage Account, you will have some money in it. Now from there, scroll down a little bit. And under products, click on stocks. And then here, just search for the stock that you would like to buy. For this example, I'll just use Tesla. Then what you can do is click buy. Then here, choose how much you want to buy. For example, $5 worth of Tesla stock. Then click review. And now once you click submit, you will then have submitted the buy order. And then if the market is open, it should execute pretty much instantly. But if it's closed, then it will execute once the market opens. So that's how to buy stocks with Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.